What's going on? How's everyone doing today? It's CJ Halleck with CJHalleck.com and digitalbag.com, and in this video we are going to create, not like properly, we're just going to create the social media accounts that we're going to use in order to get the URL and the handle and make sure it's reserved so nobody takes it out from underneath us. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'll see y'all in a sec. Alright, so the first one we're going to do is our Facebook page. We're going to go ahead and get started. We are on Facebook.com, logged in under our profile. Remember, there are two different things, a profile and a page. For brands, businesses, websites, podcasts, things of that nature, you want to have a page, not a profile. So in order to create a new page, we're going to come up here once you're logged in and click on Create, and then we're going to click on Page. And it's a business or brand, so we're going to go ahead and click Get Started. Page name is going to be Pyroplex. Category is going to be art. Or artist, that'll actually be better. We'll click Continue. And we'll upload a profile picture, which is I'll use the icon for that. I'm going to skip the cover photo because I want to do something, really nice with that. So for right now, we'll skip that, and I'll make sure we'll do that in a different video. And as you see, we have, an icon up here. Everything's good to go. Let's go ahead and go into settings. And you may need some likes. It's something I wish they would come solid on this. Yeah, they're not giving me the. All right, so when you're on your page, I think it's 25 likes that you need to have in order to unlock the capability of getting the handle, the @Pyroplex. And we'll go ahead and get into that. And basically, when you start, you can come over here and invite your friends, and we'll get into all the different details for Facebook in a second. But for right now, we're just going to grab this URL, click copy, and it's going to change. Once we're able to get the @Pyroplex, it will just be facebook.com/Pyroplex. But until you get those 25 likes, we can't use that. So we're going to use this for now. We'll come in and edit it later. And I'll actually show you how to basically work around that. So here we are. I have this little document. And we don't need any of this. So basically what I have written down is in my opinion, what you need when you start creating your social media accounts. Of course, you need your icon or your profile picture, or whatever you want to call it. You need to make sure you know what your handle is going to be, which we did in the naming a brand video and tutorial, blog post, book, like all that stuff. So you feel free to check that out. Just go to digitalbag.com, and in the search field just type in naming a brand if you've not done that yet. Then you want a basic bio, which is and like I said, all of this we're going to come back in and recreate later. And then of course you want to make sure that you list out your URL. But for right now, we're going to go ahead and keep moving. So we have our Facebook page. Next thing we're going to create is Twitter. So we're going to go ahead and sign up. And this is where the Twitter and Instagram is where you're going to need the, and I'll just parentheses, Pyroplex. And I'm going to use email instead. And this is where we're going to use our Pyroplex. Actually, let's do cj@pyroplex.com. And click next. I'm going to go ahead, skip down, hit next, hit sign up. Now it's going to email you a code to verify. So we're going to come back in here. 303 3351. Double check that. And click next. Then you'll need to set up your password. Click next. Upload your profile picture. Nope, wrong one. Click next. Bio, that's where I already have this typed out over here. Like I said, we're going to come through and do trainings after the Blitz Challenge individually in each of these platforms. Of course, we already have the foundation for the Instagram guide. And I will be doing Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. I was working on LinkedIn to try to have that done prior to the launch, but with power outages or internet outages and flooding the basement, all that, I really didn't get time to. So next, we're going to go ahead and skip this for now. We're going to click next. No, thank you. And now it has the handle already created for you based on your name, which is not the ideal way because now it's not the handle we want. So in order to change that, we're going to click on our profile. And then we're going to click on Edit Profile. No, we're not. Cancel. We're going to go here and Settings and Privacy. Username. There we go. And then we're just going to do Pyro Plax. And then we're going to come down here and click Save Changes. And we're going to re-enter our password. See, save changes. And now you've been saved. So now your URL for Twitter is twitter.com/pyroplex. Now we're going to go into Instagram and we're going to do the same thing here. So we're going to go ahead and sign up. Let's do CJ at pyroplex.com. Full name, CJ Halleck. Pyroplex. Actually, let's just change this to Pyroplex. And username. And password. Sign up. Not now. We're going to go to our profile. We have Pyroplex as the handle, so if you wanted to, we can come in here. We can change profile picture. And then I can come in here and copy what I have for the bio. Put in our website. And submit. And then the only other thing you need to do is we need to come in here and confirm the email. For Instagram, I'm not doing the notifications. And then, of course, it's going to recommend that you follow people. I would recommend if you're building this niche-based business like I am, where it's just wood burning coming through, it doesn't matter. If you're a fan of Miley Cyrus, if it doesn't have anything to do with what you're building, following her on this, I would recommend against. Unless you're building a personal brand, I wouldn't recommend following individuals outside of what your niche or your category or topic or whatever it is, if that makes sense. That being said, we have now created Twitter, Instagram, and our Facebook page, which are the three primaries we're going to be using. Where the URL actually matters. YouTube, that's going to be a totally separate video. I'm going to cover completely with the video as far as creating the YouTube account, uploading your first video, and how to actually put all the information in the right way to get the most exposure on YouTube. That being said, my name is CJ Halleck with CJHalleck.com, Digitalbag.com, and I guess now Pyroplax.com. Hope you guys have enjoyed this. Hope this has been helpful. If you guys have any questions, feel free to shoot me a message at CJ Halleck on social media or CJ@CJHalleck.com. Y'all have a great day. Be great. Stay boosted. We'll catch you on the next video. Take care.